if you are someone who is eating clean and eating diligently 6 days a week, I recommend that you can include one cheat meal in your diet. And why I say so is for a lot of reasons. First, as per science, there is a metabolic overdrive effect, as I like to call it. So when you incorporate a day or your meal that's overloaded with calories, like if you're eating twice as much calories that you would eat on any other days of the 6 days of the week. So when you eat double the amount of calories than you are eating the rest of the days on the 6 days, you're actually pushing your metabolism to burn that extra calories, and this metabolism boost persists at least up to 5 days of your cheat day. And this is really helpful in a case if you're trying to lose weight, because what happens is when you lose weight, your body actually needs less number of calories. So this in between metabolism boost sometimes is quite helpful, because when you lose weight, your body actually slows down the resting metabolic rate. So it sounds a little sad to know that your resting metabolism rate decreases when you lose weight, because your body needs less calories to burn when you don't have that extra weight that you had earlier. So if earlier you were 80 kgs and your resting metabolism was 2500 calories, and now you have become 70 kgs, you would maybe needing only 2200 to 2300 calories to maintain that lower body weight. But by incorporating that cheat meal in your schedule, you give that push to your metabolism and overdrive for the majority of the following weeks. But make sure to eat as clean as possible in the rest of the 6 days of the week, because if you are eating crappy food whole week and then you have a cheat day, so then you are not going to lose the weight. So focus on rewarding yourself on the cheat day, because you had eaten clean the rest of the 6 days of the week. So that cheat day is going to push your metabolism for a few days, and that cheat meal in that day itself will help you to lose weight. So this technique of incorporating a cheat day in your schedule is actually helpful, because that particular cheat day, when you had extra calories, it makes your body burn that extra calories, and this ignites the metabolism for that particular day, and it persists for up to 4 to 5 days in the coming week. So this trick is useful when you are hitting the plateau, and it happens with most of the people, like when your body gets used to a consistent pattern of diet. So incorporating a cheat meal can help you bust that plateau.